Lesson 157. Into his presence would I enter now.
Hi there. How would you like to experience a touch of heaven today? Great, let's dive in. Today is a day of silence, trust, and promise. Heaven has made this day special by casting a timeless light, allowing us to hear the echoes of eternity. This day is holy because it brings us a new experience and a different kind of feeling and awareness. For a long time, we've been acknowledging death, but today, we're going to embrace and learn to feel the joy of life. This lesson marks a crucial turning point in our journey. We're adding a new layer to our understanding, a fresh perspective that sheds a light on everything we've learned and paves the way for our future lessons. It takes us to the door where learning has to stop, where we can catch a glimpse at what lies beyond the highest peak that can be reached through learning. There, we pause for an instant, and then we step beyond, certain of our direction and our ultimate goal. Today, we're going to experience a hint of heaven, even though we'll still continue on our learning journey. We've come far enough on our journey to be able to break free from the laws of time and step into eternity, even if for just a while. And as we keep practicing each lesson, we'll speed up our journey to this sacred space, where we can be one with our true self. God will lead our practice today, because what we seek is what He wants for us. When what we want aligns with what God wants, what we're asking for will be given to us. All we need is today's idea to light up our minds.
Into his presence would I enter now.
Let it rest peacefully, waiting in quiet joy as we swiftly retreat and leave the world behind. Starting today, our ministry takes on a genuine devotion, and a warm light that radiates from our fingertips to those we touch and blesses those we encounter. A vision will reach everyone we meet, think of, and those who think about us. Because today's experience will transform our mind in such a way that it becomes a touchstone for God's holy thoughts. Today, our body will be sanctified. Its only purpose now is to share the vision we experience today to illuminate the world. We can't directly transmit this experience to others, but it will leave a vision in our eyes that we can offer everyone. This can help them come sooner to the same experience that we had, where the world is forgotten and heaven is remembered. As these experiences grow and all other goals become less significant, the world we return to starts to resemble heaven a little more closely. We, the bringers of light, will perceive the light more clearly and our vision will be sharper. Eventually, we won't need to return in our current form. For now, however, this form serves a purpose and serves us well. Today, we're embarking on an adventure we couldn't even dream of. But guess what? The Holy One, the giver of the happy dreams of life and the translator of our perceptions into truth, our sacred guide to heaven, has dreamed this journey for us. Let's embark on this journey today, embracing the experience this day offers as our own. We're going to enter into Christ's presence, peacefully aware solely of His radiant face and perfect love.
Into his presence would I enter now.
The vision of His face will linger, but there'll be an instant that transcends all visions, even this holiest one. This is a vision we will never teach, because we can't, as we didn't attain it through learning. It's the vision that we gain through remembrance of what we knew in that instant, a knowledge we will undoubtedly regain.
Into his presence would I enter now.
As usual, let's dedicate 15 minutes when we wake up and another 15 minutes before we go to bed to our practices. And let's commit to remind ourselves of today's idea every hour we're awake.
Into his presence would I enter now.
Amazing! Right? Describing the transformative power of these lessons becomes more and more challenging, doesn't it? But remember, you're doing great. See you tomorrow for another powerful lesson.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. There's a new lesson every day.